Good afternoon, students. I am Anjana from Tezpur Academy HSS School, Tezpur, subject teacher English. I welcome you to the online class subject English. Students, at the very beginning of my lesson, I want to say that along with the English language, I use the Assamese language also for your well-being. Students, the name of your English textbook is Flamingo. It is Flamingo. Do you know what is flamingo? Flamingo is a type of bird that are found in America, Asia, Africa and Europe. I shall cover the explanation of the lesson, the last lesson from your textbook, Flamingo. First of all, I share some of the thoughts about the writer and the background of the story. The writer of the last lesson is Alphonse Daudet. He is considered one of the iconic figures of French literature. He was born in 1840 at Nimes, a historical place of interest of southern France. Initially, he was a school teacher. He gave up his job for living as a journalist in Paris. Alphonse Daudet was a French novelist and French short story writer. He wrote his first novel at the age of 14. The name of his poetry collection is Les Amoureuses. The story of the last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War that took place in 1870-1871, in which France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck, and the two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, were also occupied by Prussia. In this story, you see what effect this had on life at School of France. Students, now what is Franco-Prussian War? Franco-Prussian War means the war between France and Prussia. The kingdom of Prussia is abolished in favor of republic in 1918. The free state of Prussia is the state of Germany. Students, now I talk about the writer and the background of the story in the Assamese language. Last lesson, the last lesson অৰ্থ হৈছে শেষ পাঠটি আৰু এই last lesson পাঠটিৰ writer হৈছে আলফন্সি ডৌডেট। তেওঁ ফৰাচী সাহিত্যৰ এজন উল্লেখযোগ্য ব্যক্তি। তেওঁৰ জন্ম হৈছিলে সাউদাৰ্ণ ফ্ৰান্সৰ নাইমছ নামৰ এখন ঐতিহাসিক ঠাই 1840 আৰু পোনপ্ৰথমে তেওঁ এজন স্কুলৰ শিক্ষক আছিলে আৰু তেওঁ পেৰিছত জাৰ্নেলিষ্ট হিচাপে কাম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সেই শিক্ষকতা বৃত্তি তেওঁ ত্যাগ কৰিছিল আৰু তেওঁ আছিল এজন ফৰাচী উপন্যাসিক আৰু ফৰাচী শৰ্ট ষ্টৰী ৰাইটাৰ আৰু তেওঁৰ প্ৰথম পয়েট্ৰি কালেকশ্যনৰ নাম আছে Les Amoureuses। দি লাষ্ট লেছনৰ ষ্টৰীটো 1870 আৰু 1871 হোৱা ফ্ৰেংকো-পাৰ্চিয়ান ৱাৰৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি লিখা হৈছে আৰু সেই ৱাৰত প্ৰুছিয়াই ফ্ৰান্সক যুদ্ধত পৰাজিত কৰি ফ্ৰান্সৰ দুখন ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এলছেছি এণ্ড লৰেন অধিকাৰ কৰি লৈছিলে আৰু সেই দুখন ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অধিকাৰী কৰি লোৱাৰ ফলত আৰু ফ্ৰান্সক পৰাজিত কৰাৰ প্ৰভাৱটো ফ্ৰান্সৰ বিদ্যালয়বোৰত কেনেকৈ পৰিছিল তাকে এই ষ্টৰীটো দেখুওৱা হৈছে। ষ্টুডেণ্টছ, নাও I hope listen to it and hope that you learn it. Let me stop here for today. I shall again meet you with the explanation of the first paragraph of the lesson, the last lesson. Thank you.